Greetings, I'm Schwanters with SDM, and if you're watching this video, you're more than likely wanting an overview or a tutorial for my new software, SDM's CD radio converter. This software automatically converts CDs and radio stuff for my winter car and also compatible with my summer car. First, what you're going to want to do, or if you want an overview of the program, you open up the program, and this is what it looks like. It has my groups banner. Your audio folder, this is where you'll put your, or link your folder for whatever you have your music in. This music can be any format, as long as it's not some like really old piece of crap random format of music. You get it what I mean. I've had somebody try to put audio for a 3G phone in here and yell at me about it. But anyway, this is the software. You have your audio folder like I was just talking about. You choose your game. Basically, this just tells the program which game you want the CD or the radio to be added to. For CDs, you have slots 1 through 3, and then add to radio will add to radio. Today, we're going to be doing add to radio, but if you wanted to do CD, you would select what slot you want. Make sure that your slot is not already have anything else in it. But for CDs, you can have 15 different tracks, and for radio, you can have up to 200. But today I'm going to be showing you how to do radio. They all work the same. It's just that, like I said, CDs only have 15, radio has 200. But anyway, so let's say if you want to put your music from, say, like your RIP CDs that you bought from the store. See here, I'll put, for example, Pantera. Let's do The Great Southern Trendkill. Great album, by the way. Anyway. See, now that you have your music path, you can click on Browse here, right? You can go choose your folder, and when you'll double click onto it, you'll see it's empty, or you can just have it selected in File Explorer. This is the same for Windows 11 and 10. So you would select folder, and see it'll be automatically inputted into the software. The other thing that you can do too, if you just don't want to use the browse, you can navigate to your folder with all your music inside of your File Explorer, and you can copy the directory by doing what I just did, and then you can copy and paste it into the same path, and see it'll be the exact same thing. That's just if you want to use File Explorer instead of using the browse. Choose whatever game you want. I'm going to go with My Winter Car because My Winter Car is the new one, you know. Whatever CD slot you want, add radio. Then you would click Start Conversion, and then the current conversion is whatever track that is. And with radio, the way that this works is it chooses a random number, and it sees if that number is already overwritten, and if it isn't, it does that new number. This is iterated like that, so you can have multiple different radio conversions that you do, and it will never be overwritten by each other. So if you want to say, oh, I want to add more music than the music I already have in the game, you know, you can add it into the game right after you've already put music into the game, and see it's already finished, and you know it'll work. So, and then the other way that you can get music is these two converters that I like to use. EasyMP3.co for YouTube, which is also compatible with MP4 if you want to do that. Or if you want to download from Spotify, you can put your Spotify album playlist. As long as it's a public playlist, you can put it into there. You get it. But I'm not going to show you how to use these because I'm sure you're smart enough to know how to use these. So, yeah, but basically, that's how to use the program. That's the overview of the program. If you have any questions, you can always put them in the comments, and I'll try to answer it. Have a good one.